In this video, I will show you how to convert Excel time to decimal hours like this. So let's get started. In this Excel sheet, I have some cells containing Excel time in this column. Now I want to convert these Excel times to decimal hours. For example, the first time is 1 am, so the decimal hour value should be 1. Similarly, the fourth value is 12 pm, so the decimal hour value should be 12. But before we do that, we need to understand how time is handled in Excel. Excel stores time as a fractional value of 1 day, and it is represented by a decimal value of 1, which is between 0 and 0.9999. That means if you have a 0 in a cell and if you format it as a time, you will get the time as 12 am. Similarly, the number 0.5 will become the time 12 pm and so on. So, to convert Excel time to decimal hours, we need to multiply the Excel time by 24, which is the total number of hours in 1 day. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now select the cell containing the Excel time. Type the asterisk multiplication operator followed by the number 24. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the number of hours converted from Excel time values. If the number of hours does not display correctly, we need to format them as numbers. To do that, select all these cells and press the Ctrl and 1 keys on the keyboard to open up the Format Cells dialog box. Now click the number option from the left side. Set the decimal places to 2. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, we now have the number of hours converted from Excel time. Since the number of hours is a decimal value, 3:45 am becomes 3.75 hours. Similarly, the 6:30 am time value becomes 6.5 hours, not 6.3 hours. It is because half of 1 hour is 30 minutes, not 50 minutes. So when we convert it to decimal hours, it becomes half of 1, which is 0.5. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.